manual crimping machine. First one, we need to adjust the crimping mode, this part, and put the pump here. Then adjust this part. 还要往下面调一点，这个泵头要下去2到3后面的。Let's release this one first. Then screw it, and the pump should be lower than the 2 or 3 millimeters. Okay, 2到3 millimeters. Then fix it and install it on the crimping machine. And when you install the mold, you need to hold the top part, this part, hold it. And also, when you release the mold, you also need to hold this part. It's okay. Then you need to adjust the head and the position according to your bottle size. Now we need to adjust the head according to your bottle size, and then and you can put the bolt here and the pump head, and you can release these 2 screws to adjust the head until this mold. Adjust the head here, release the 2 screws, then you can put the bottle here. It's more smoothly. Then press it